Hello, we are going to talk about evaluating expressions. So this is where we add some letters into there and see how we can evaluate them. How does that work? So let's go through a few examples and see how we evaluate them. So the first one was going to say evaluate a plus 6 for a equals 10. So in this case, we are just going to replace. We want to evaluate a plus 6, but we can't really do anything because we don't know what a is. But in this case, they've given us that a is 10, so we're just going to plug that in. So we're going to have 10 plus 6, and now 10 plus 6 is 16. Next example, we're going to evaluate AB plus C for A equals 2, B equals 3, and C equals 4. So now they've given us the values for each letter, so we have to plug them in accordingly. So A is 2, so we have 2. Remember, A, B next to each other means multiply. So then B is 3, we're going to plug that in, plus C, but C is 4. Now remember our order of operations in this case. So we have multiplication before addition, so we're going to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10. Last example for you. We're going to evaluate 3a squared plus 4b squared for a equals 2 and b equals 3. So let's plug those in where they go. We have 3. Remember, 3a squared means 3 times a squared. So a is 2, so 2 squared plus 4 times b squared, so 4 times 3 squared. And I put those parentheses there just to help clarify and keep things nice and neat. There's nothing we can really do inside of them, but sometimes they're just for clarification. So we really don't have parentheses, but the next thing in our PEMDAS is exponents. So we have 2 squared. So remember, 2 squared is going to be 2 times 2. So that's 4. And then over here we have 3 squared. So remember, 3 squared is really 3 times 3. So that's 9. And then the next thing is multiplication and division. We do have multiplication right here. 3 times 4 is 12. And right here, 4 times 9 is 36. And last but not least, 12 plus 36. Again, you're welcome to use your calculator if you need to, but we get 48. So that's it for this video. As you're working through your lesson, if you have any questions, make sure to ask your teacher. Have a great day.